See them over the water over there? The trail of smoke in the air?
Mm-hmm.
Watch right there. There's another one. Yeah. Right almost over top of that building. And then turned around.